Shell Eco Marathon is one of the top student engineering competitions in the world, with the goal of creating the most energy-efficient vehicle. Since the spring semester of 2020, efforts for the Penn State team have focused on the design of the 2022 Urban Concept Car. The current design of the Urban Concept Car involves a fully drivable skateboard platform, to which a variety of external bodies can be attached. We are the fuel economy fanatics. Our project objectives were to advance the design of the vehicle to a point of being fully manufacturable and improve upon the design of subsystems to achieve the highest level of efficiency.
Due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the team faced several challenges throughout the project, which required creative problem-solving approaches. One of the biggest challenges the team faced was changes to the Learning Factory shop access. Welding equipment and training were unavailable for the semester, which halted plans to construct the aluminum chassis. To continue the progress, the team decided to instead create a full-size prototype of the chassis using PVC, which allowed for the testing and positioning of other subsystems to still take place. Another challenge was the sudden change to the team structure. Since the 2021 Eco Marathon competition was cancelled, the 2021 team joined the efforts of the 2022 team halfway through the semester. The 2021 team took lead on the body subsystem design, while the 2022 team focused on the skateboard assembly. The two teams held regular design meetings to ensure that interfaces were being properly considered.
Most of the design work for the project took place in the 3D modeling software called SolidWorks. The team modeled new components, constructed assemblies, and created drawings for manufacturing. The team also used simulation software to test the strength of the components. After designs were finalized and verified, the team began to manufacture these components. There are three major achievements completed by the team this semester. The chassis design was improved to become more rigid, and mounts for the steering assembly were created. Other mounts were manufactured to connect the engine to the chassis, and a drivetrain was designed to account for wheel alignment. Lastly, steering spindles, axles, and C-arm brackets were all manufactured to help the steering in the front two wheels.
Over the semester, the team has utilized the iterative design process and available resources to improve the Urban Concept Car design. Each subsystem has been analyzed thoroughly to make sure that this car will be as fuel efficient, cost effective, and safe as possible.